to watch again, you can just watch the videos that lesson that we conduct here. Okay, so I guess we'll just start. We are not going to wait for the others sebab banyak task korang kena buat hari ni. Okay, so for today, we are going to get into our new chapter, new unit. Sorry, before that, I would like to welcome you back to second semester of 2021. Okay, I would like to welcome everyone. I wish you all the best, even though SPM has been postponed, and it's been postponed to next year, 2022. So I guess you are going to spend your Form 5 time longer than the previous Form 5 batch. The last year's the Pro Max 1.0. You'll be spending more at school with me, especially your English teacher. But I wish you all the best, and I hope you are going to be fine until the end of your battle. Okay, so we still only have about how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ada 10. Tak apa, I assume the rest mungkin ada problem with the internet, tapi I have to note them as not attended. So for today's topic, it is under the environment. Before we begin our quick session today, we are going to do this environment quiz. We call it here. I don't know juga lah. A few answers that I don't know, but let us try together. Number 1, who would like to try? How many people die each year due to drinking water? Minum air pun boleh mati. Who would like to try? You can just unmute.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Nazrul. Number 1, what is your answer, Nazrul?
A.
A. Okay, Nazrul kata A. Anybody else would like to try? Danish?
B, sir.
Danish kata B. Wow. So we have different answers. What about siapa tadi? Macam Clarice Clarice unmute the microphone ke just now? No? Anybody else would like to try to give the answer?
C, sir.
Siapa tu?
Clarice, sir.
Oh, Clarice, the answer C. We have 3 different answers. From the answer scheme, you know what the answer is actually? C. They get 5,000 people die each day due to drinking water. I don't know lah. I don't know from where they get this information, but it's given in the textbook. Probably because, especially in the countries like India, India, they have problem in the water supply kan. If you go there, you will having problem lah with getting the clean supply water supply. Okay, number 2, how many kilos of rubbish are dumped into the ocean every year? What is the meaning of the word dump? Apa maksud perkataan dump? Anyone would like to try? What is the meaning of the word dump? What is it?
Dibuang.
Ya, dump tu dibuang lah, dibuang, betul. Okay, so what do you think the answer is? I think I would like to ask Valentina Alvera.
Maybe B, sir.
Your answer is B. Do you know how to read the number B? I'm having trouble to read the number. How many zeros are there? Ada 8 zeros. So berapa je punya jumlah ni? Siapa yang tahu? Boleh tolong tak?
$6.3 billion maybe, sir.
6.3 billion. Who said that? Nazrul. Betul lah tu, 6.3 billion. How do we read this? Korang pun tahu kan belajar maths, yang sini ratus, kalau 3 ni dah ribu kan. So kalau ada 6 dia jadi million. Ada 6 kosong dia jadi 1 million, millions. Then yang sini it getting into billion. Dia dah jadi billion. So kalau ini dia jadi, if you want to read the whole thing panjang, dia akan jadi 6 billion 3 million kilogram. Okay. But in a short way, easiest way to say it, like what Nazrul said just now, it's going to be 6.3 billion. Okay, it's crazy lah numbers. Lepas tu kalau tambah lagi satu set kosong kat sini, dia akan jadi trillion. I guess you know that kan. Korang dah expert lah. Okay, number 3. The answer for number 2 tadi memang B. 6.3 billion kg of rubbish are dumped into the ocean every year. So memang teruk lah, kotor. Okay, number 3. Which is the cleanest place on earth? Yang mana tempat paling bersih di atas muka bumi ni? What about Dexter? Would you like to try Dexter?
I'm guessing Antarctica because there are less population.
You're guessing it's Antarctica. And in fact, the answer is true. It's Antarctica. Okay, from what is given, it is true, it's Antarctica. The answer. Betul lah. Not only less, it's almost no population lah. Not many people are living there kan. Antarctica is di mana? Kutub Utara ke Kutub Selatan?
Tak tahu sir.
Tahu, siapa yang tahu? Who knows this one? Antarctica. The North Pole or South Pole? Akmal Hazim tahu Akmal Hazim?
Dah pasti sir.
Dah pasti. Antarctica is on the South Pole. Antarctica South Pole. Kat sini ada penguin. Okay, kalau dekat North, dekat sini ada apa? Yang putih tu apa? Alamak, apa namanya? Bear. Bear apa?
Polar bear.
Polar bear, thank you so much. Polar bear. So sebab tu you should not be confused why the polar bear are not eating the penguin kan. It's free food if they live together. But unfortunately polar bear is on the other end of the world, of the globe, while the penguin is in the other end. So memang dia tak akan berjumpa lah. Okay, number 4. Which country produces the most oil in the world? Minyak yang paling banyak. Negara mana yang produce? Maybe I want to hear. I want. Siapa boleh try? Kita minta Golaria. What do you think the answer is, Golaria, for number 4?
B.
Golaria kata B, China. China siapa ni? Next, I want to ask Chelsea. What do you think the answer is, Chelsea?
B juga, sir.
B juga. So 2 Bs. What about Farid Fazli?
B.
Farid Fazli, I guess you have problem with your microphone kot. Tak dengar suara kau.
B.
B. Farid Fazli kata B juga. Actually the answer is Russia. Rasanya kalau China macam jarang lah dengar pasal minyak. Kalau Rusia, yes. Kan the owner of, owner apa? Saya tak ingat lah. I think the boys know lah. Biasa kalau korang tengok Champions League bola tu ada Gazprom benda tak sponsor for football tu. Itu if I'm not mistaken one of the biggest oil and gas company. Tak apa, so ignore that one. So the answer is Russia. Yang dibagikannya Russia. Mexico pun actually banyak. If I'm not mistaken, Malaysia, Petronas tu. Petronas ada dia orang punya apa ni, the planta tu. The planta minyak di Mexico, kalau tak silap saya, Petronas ada satu. If I'm not mistaken, yang saya tak ingat lah, negara-negara belah sana ada a few planta minyak Petronas. Ada siapa nak masuk ni? Najwan. Okay, Najwan is coming. Next. Okay, the last one. Which is the most air polluted country in the world? Mana negara yang paling tak boleh gerak ni. Mana negara yang udara dia paling kotor? Is it Turkey, Mongolia or India? Can I have Mary Claire to try?
I think A, sir.
You think A, India, okay? Thank you, Mary Claire. What about Nuraini? Which one do you think is the answer, Nuraini?
I think A also.
You think also A. Korang rasa India je kotor, asal kotor je India. Korang. Last lah, I want to ask Yoel. Yoel, what do you think the answer is, Yoel? Yoel ni dia terus tidur.
sir.
Yoel kata A juga. Okay. Unfortunately, I don't know why. I also thought A, tapi dia bagi kat dalam tu jawapan dia adalah Mongolia. Mongolia ni kalau tak silap dia bawah daripada Rusia. Tapi I'm not sure why the air is polluted kat sana. Nanti kena Google lah. I'm not sure also for this one. Okay, we have to Google later. Okay, so thank you everyone for trying. Well done. Let's do this one. Number 2, what causes pollution? Complete the table with your own ideas. Saya nak tanya lah. Now you look at all of these 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So think about the causes of these 4 types of pollutions. Then I would like you to tell me. Saya bagi dalam 2-3 minit untuk kamu fikir. I'm going to pick any random person. Kita punya session ni sekejap je, okay? Kita habis yang sampai noise pollution, lepas tu saya akan bagi task kamu untuk kamu buat lepas ni. Okay, I guess it's enough. I would like to ask Mashita first. What do you think would be the cause of air pollution, Mashita?
Asap kenderaan, sir.
Asap kenderaan. What is asap kenderaan? Think about it, Mashita. How do you say that in English? Asap apa asap? Hey, Mashita senyap terus. I'm talking to you.
Jap, sir.
Sekejap. Anybody else? Saya nak minta Najwan lah bagi satu. While Mashita is thinking about what is asap kenderaan. Najwan, can you share with me the cause of air pollution? One of the many causes.
One of Sekejap, sir.
Hey, come on Najwan. Kau ni tahu tak katil lagi. Najwan, what
So vehicle exhaust fumes, sir.
Oi, vehicle. How do you spell vehicle? V E
VEHICLE.
Lepas tu exhaust. Exhaust mana? E
EEXHAHAUST, sir.
Yeah, vehicle exhaust. Apa tadi? Vehicle exhaust pollution.
Fumes.
Oh,
Saya cari
fume.
di Google, sir.
What is? How do you spell fume? F-U?
MES.
FUMES. Wah, ni bagus. I like the word fume. Fumes ni memang daripada kimia lah, chemistry punya word. Okay. Thank you, Najwan. See, Mashita, Najwan has helped you. It's the vehicle exhaust fume. Ataupun kita boleh cakap the smoke from vehicle. Tu simplest. Kalau kamu cakap smoke from vehicle contohnya. Kalau yang second ni, basically these two things carry the same meaning. Okay, saya nak cerita lah. Dua perkara ni dia bawa maksud yang sama. Okay, yang A dengan B ni dua-dua maksud dia sama. Dua-dua asap lah basically. Tapi when you use the words vehicle exhaust fumes, dia nampak lagi educated. Sebab the word choice, perkataan yang dipilih tu perkataan yang lebih advance macam tu. So if you can use this kind of word dekat dalam exam, dalam essay, I'm very sure you will get extra marks rather than using smoke from vehicle contohnya. Tak ada masalah, dua-dua sampai maksud. Both give the examiner the meaning what you're trying to say, but then again it's just the different level lah. Mungkin yang ni nampak bagus sikit, yang ni nampak biasa-biasa. Okay, another one. Maybe I wanna ask siapa tadi? Tak ramai rupanya. Dexter, air pollution. Another cause of air pollution.
If illegal burning, sir.
Wah, illegal burning. I like the word illegal. Salah je illegal. ILLEGAL. Illegal burning. Boleh? Mungkin orang lain dia cakap open burning je kan. Open burning or illegal burning. Tapi open burning nampak macam tak salah. Kan, pembakaran terbuka suka tingkau lah nak bakar sampah kat rumah. But then kalau illegal burning, for example, when you burn ataupun when you burn the chemicals, kan, the hazardous chemical. So that is illegal. Thank you so much, Dexter. Next, we move to water pollution. Okay, water pollution. Who would like to give an example? Yeah, Haris Izzat is coming. Who would like to try to give an example of water pollution? Tak ada yang bagi, saya panggil je.
So can I try?
Yeah, sure. Who's that?
Aini.
Aini, yeah, Aini. What is an example of water pollution, Aini?
Oil spills.
Oil spill. I like this. Oil spill. Oil spill ni biasa jadi kat mana? Where do normally oil spill happen?
Ocean.
In the ocean, betul lah kan? Biasanya kapal-kapal, the ship that is carrying oil, they possibly damage ke apa whatsoever ke any incident happen, they have oil spill. Thank you so much, Nuraini. Another one I want to hear maybe from Nazrul Azlan. What do you think would be another example of water pollution? Another cause?
Maybe from toxic dump by the factory.
Toxic dump. TOXIC, toxic dump. Okay, by factories. Boleh lah, by factories kita panggil. Kan, biasalah tu nak save the cost, so just throw it into the apa nama kita panggil, into the river, for example. Okay, thank you. Next, we move to soil pollution. Dah 8.26 dah. I'm going to give you extra time for your next task. Okay, soil pollution, I want to hear from, maybe we ask Yoel. Back to Yoel. Yoel Duanik. Okay, Clarice tadi hilang dah. Yoel? Yoel tersambung tidur. Hai Yoel.
Wait, sir.
Oh, it's okay. Sorry. Meanwhile, orang lain ada nak tolong sambil kita tunggu Yoel pun jawapan.
Sir.
Ya, pencemaran tanah.
Land development, sir.
Oh, land development. What is an example of the development that they probably are doing now? Apa contoh pembangunan yang diorang buat tu, Akmal Hazim?
Maybe building, sir.
Boleh juga constructing building, the construction of building kan, buat
Yes.
apartment, buat kawasan perumahan and all. Thank you. That's good, Akmal Hazim. Anybody else other than Yoel? Then Yoel, ada idea tak Yoel?
Earthquake, sir.
Earthquake. Kenapa earthquake boleh menyebabkan pollution? Yoel, this is interesting. Earthquake biasanya kan tanah runtuh. Macam mana earthquake boleh menyebabkan pollution? Maybe lah Yoel, I think it's a good suggestion juga, maybe from earthquake. Tapi if earthquake itself will not make any pollution. Kena faham, pollution ni adalah pencemaran kan. Pollution is pencemaran. So pencemaran will not happen if it doesn't involve any anything yang toxic lah, macam tu lebih kurang biasanya. Okay. So let's say if you want to use apa tadi, earthquake juga. Maybe for example, the earthquake happening somewhere around apa ni yang which give impact to a chemical factory for example, and the chemical accidentally pour into the land, masuk ke dalam tanah kan. So maybe that will lead to soil pollution. And maybe another example that I can give you, the use of fertilizers. Fertilizer ni ada yang natural, ada yang chemical base. Normally fertilizer ni bahasa Melayu dia apa? Baja baja tanaman contohnya. So if you use excessive chemical based fertilizer, that will be absorbed. It will be absorbed by the soil, and not only soil pollution, bukan saja pencemaran pada tanah tersebut, but also it will lead to water pollution. Sebab bila hujan, it will carry the chemical into the river for example. Dia akan mengalirkan fertilizer tadi ke sungai-sungai yang berdekatan. So dia akan jadikan soil pollution plus water pollution. Okay, so next, the last one is noise pollution. Okay, who would like to give suggestion on noise pollution? Maybe saya nak tanya Mary Claire. Mary?
Yes, sir.
Ya, pencemaran bunyi biasa berlaku di mana?
Traffic noise.
Traffic noise. Oh, menarik, traffic. Tapi kat sini macam tak banyak sangat kan. I think even in Kota Kinabalu, the city pun I don't think the traffic is making too much noise lah. Macam boleh controlling. Thank you. Mary, what about Chelsea? Can you give me another suggestion? An example of noise pollution.
Construction noise, sir.
Construction. I like this one. Construction. So bila ada pembinaan, time tu lah akan ada bunyi piling lah, gergang and on. And yeah, it's annoying. This thing normally happen in Kuala Lumpur lah. During the day, waktu siang orang pergi kerja, so dia orang tak boleh gunakan, tak boleh buat construction waktu siang sebab mungkin jalan busy dengan orang. But they do construction at night. Korang bayangkan malam-malam dia orang ketuk piling, malam-malam dia bertukang. So that's time for other people to sleep. It is very inappropriate. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for the discussion. I guess it's a very fruitful discussion. Walaupun mungkin look simple, but maybe some of you learn a lot of things. Okay, so moving on to today's task. Actually, there are a lot of things you are supposed to do today. Tapi I have decided to cut a few, especially the grammar part sebab tak sempat nak explain. And you are only going to do, nanti saya akan bagi dalam textbook. Saya akan bagi textbook ni dekat korang. Saya akan bulatkan terus lah, senang nanti. You are going to do some reading part, which is from page number 58. Lepas tu moving on to page number 59. Korang kena buat reading. Lepas tu ada vocab task sikit, page number 60. 3 muka ni je lah. In 1 hour, I want you to do this in your writing book and copy all the questions. Okay, soalan semua saya nak kamu salin. Saya bagi instruction jap. Jap. Do in writing book. Copy all questions. Soalan je salin dia punya teks tak perlu salin. Lepas tu nanti maybe somewhere around 9:15 ke, I will share with you the answer for you to check. After that, I want you to snap a picture, convert the file into PDF, lepas tu send to WhatsApp group. Okay? Nanti bukti dia snap a picture, snap and send to WhatsApp group. Okay, is there any question you would like to ask people? Ada tak apa-apa soalan nak tanya?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
5,
sir.
4, 3, 2, 1. Tak ada soalan. So I guess that is the end of our lesson for today. You are going to get to do your own task after this and submit it before 9:30. Okay, nanti saya akan bagi jawapan. With that, thank you so much everyone. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a very good day.